If you don't know what to make with your kidney beans, let me show you what to do with it. You can make Caribbean rice and peas. First of all, you start by parboiling your kidney beans. If you don't want to waste your gas, you can soak it overnight. Then the next morning, you start cooking with it. But yeah, I'll show you how to first of all parboil it. Once you're done parboiling it, you strain out the water and transfer it back to your pot. This is a one pot meal. Everything will be done in just this one pot. So I'm going to trash the water and transfer it back to a clean pot with water. This is a Caribbean recipe. We are using the ingredients we have here in Nigeria that are readily available to make this recipe. Once you go in with your kidney beans, add some minced garlic, onion, some thyme, add some salt, mix everything together, transfer to your cooking gas and allow it to come to a boil. Once this is properly cooked, you open, mix together again. At this point, you are going to go in with some coconut milk. I break the coconut, I blended it and I juice out the milk. Add my coconut milk, I go in with some onion, add some garlic, some fresh pepper, and I will give this a good mix. I also go in with some seasoning cube. Then lastly, I'm going to add my washed rice. You can use basmati rice, but I'm using the normal Nigerian rice. I've already washed this rice thoroughly, add it to my pot, and mix everything together. I will add one whole scotch bonnet pepper inside for more hotness. Then I'm going to cover and allow it to cook properly till it's fully cooked. Once this is fully cooked, I'm going to mix it together and go in with some vegetable oil. Mix it from the down to the top. Once I was done mixing this, I'm going to cover the pot for the last time and allow it to cook properly for about 2 to 3 minutes on a very low heat. If you have watched to this point, you are the real treasure of this channel. Please do it to give this video a like, drop a comment for more amazing recipes. You can also check my other videos to see the recipes that are there. That being said, let's continue. At this point, my Caribbean rice and peas is ready. This rice was delicious. It's something that you love to try, and if you try it out, you won't regret that you try out this recipe. I hope you will love it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye for now.